Good morning. Welcome to physics class. Now let us understand the motion in a water in a plane. So you need to understand the motion along a water, the two dimensions. Let us consider a ball or anything is thrown upwards. Okay. Whenever it is thrown upwards, it will possess the two dimensions. One is along the water, along the x-axis. Another one, it is an upwards direction, that is termed as an water, the y-axis. So it means that it possesses with the water the two-dimensional motion. What is the meaning thereby? A two-dimensional motion. Consider any the body which is moving with an acceleration, which is always the differ from the water, the initial velocity. The initial velocity goes on and changes, and also the direction and the magnitude changes with respect to what here the time. So the best example for this kinds of a motion is considered as what here the motion in a what here plane. I will just give you another example here. So here is the plane surface. This is the plane surface. Here is a marble. I just keep one marble here. Then just I will strike this particular marble. Then how it moves? The one way of moving is in the strike direction. So I can able to say the motion in a what here? The single dimension or a one dimension. Now I will just this marble, I am applying the initial velocity, then it starts moving in this direction and then comes back here, then once again it moves like this, once again and then it comes here. So it has a two dimension here, along its length and also along its what here? The breadth. It has a two dimension here, along length, along the breadth. So it means that motion in a what here? Two dimension. The best example for the motion in the two dimension is the motion in the plane. Another one is called as what here? The projectile motion. The first example for two dimension is projectile motion. Projectile motion. And the second one is the circular motion. Circular motion. These are the two examples for what motion in a what two dimension. Let us understand what is the meaning thereby a projectile motion. Okay, so we have the one thing is called a projectile motion. Okay, projectile. Projectile motion. So you might have seen the javelin throw. When a javelin is thrown, so what happens? It is just the move along in this direction, in this way, and then it comes. So here is an initial velocity. Velocity and the direction is always changes. I already told you the velocity of that is changes with respect to what? The time. So along it is moves along what here? The horizontal path. This is a horizontal path. Here it is termed as what here? The vertical path. So the body which is comes here, whatever it is. In every point, each and every point, there is an action of water. The acceleration due to gravity of that place. Then what is the meaning of projectile motion? A projectile motion, when a body is launched or it is thrown vertically upwards or upwards, it is a launched or a thrown. Always there is an action of what here? The gravitation. At each and every point, there is an action of what? Gravitation. If I throw this here like this, so then it will possess this one. Each and every time there is an acceleration due to gravity of water, the earth is there. This is what we termed as an what? The projectile motion. So there is another word. What is the meaning of projectile motion? That I am saying, the motion. Projectile motion. What is the meaning of projectile then? The projectile. Okay, projectile. A projectile is any kind of a body or anything which is under the what here? The gravity. Okay, always under the what here? The gravity. Then it is termed as a what? Projectile. Then what is the meaning of velocity of projection? We have another one is called velocity. Velocity of projection. So the velocity of the projection is the velocity with which the projectile is possessed or project. What is its velocity? Velocity of this body is termed as a body, velocity of projection. The other one is called angle of projection. We have an angle of what? Projection. Okay. Angle of projection. Angle of projection. Theta, let us say. The meaning thereby not angle of projection. So if a body is thrown in this way, I will divide this into the two components. That is called as an horizontal component. Another one is called as a vertical component like this. So the projectile, the direction of the projection is like this. This is the direction of the projection. It is having a what? An initial velocity u. Then where is the angle? So this is the angle here. Okay. The angle between the horizontal to the what here? The direction of the projection is termed as a what? Angle of. Then we have another one is called trajectory. Trajectory. What is the meaning there by a trajectory motion we can say, or we can call it trajectory. A trajectory is the path followed by the what? The projectile is termed as a what? Trajectory. This is the path is followed. Parabolic paths. Then it is termed as a what? Trajectory. It is nothing but a what here? The paths of trajectory is called the trajectory. So these are all the definitions for what here? The projectile